Hey everyone, it's Anita. Welcome back. I just wanted to quickly do another TikTok video since I'm about to go and do some errands. And one of the things that stuck in my mind was something that's really interesting. And it's a little tip about phrasal verbs. So I need to go and return a book to the library. Now, normally native speakers don't say return. We say take back. So in a sentence that would be, I need to take my library book back to the library, or I need to take back my library book. Okay. When you have any verb that has back next to it, it usually means to return something. So for example, go back means to return to the place of origin, to where you came from. To grow back, if you cut your hair short like mine did, I'm trying to grow back my hair, and that means to return my hair back to some sort of a longer state, right? How about this one? Throw back. If somebody threw a ball to me, I'd have to return the ball to them, which means that I would have to throw back the ball. And there you have it. Quick, easy tip about phrasal verbs that have the word back in it. I'll see you soon. Bye.